Hello and welcome to the Tech Anim Studios. So in this new tutorial series, I will show you guys how you can set up this or how I have achieved this full body IK solution for my horse locomotion system. So this time I will make the videos pretty simple, like pretty short, so you don't have to watch the whole videos like 1 hour long videos just to understand how things work. So I will keep the video shorter and try to share everything how I have achieved this and how you can use the same approach, same functionality to adopt this solution to any quad up if you want. So let's get right into it. So this is my basic locomotion project which I already have prepared. Everything is fully functional, like all the locomotion states are fully ready, but I don't have any IK for my horse locomotion system. So in order to make IK work, first let's get right into it. I will open my animation blueprint. So first of all, in our horse skeleton, we need a few virtual bones. First of all, I will create 4 virtual bones from my root to each feet. I will call this as it is VB root, R hand, and L hand. And similarly, L foot and R foot. So these virtual bones will be used for modifying our legs. Like we will use these virtual bones to offset our legs from the normal position. Like if we are standing on a plane surface, this should be the feet position. If we are standing on a steep slope, then we will use the different value like 20 or 50 units above the ground to modify the legs. And then we need 4 virtual bones from our pelvis to each foot. I will call these same pelvis, L hand, R hand, and L foot, R foot. Okay. So these virtual bones we will use for our traces, like uh, trace against world geometry for slopes, how much so that we can find out what should be the correct height of each feet. So these will be used for tracing point of view. That's it from our skeleton point of view. Next thing we need to do is I have created already a function calculate feet IK. If I connect this up, so I will first show you. First, we will need a calculate lean up and down. So what I mean by that is if I run this function calculate feet IK, then we have this function calculate lean up and down. In this function, I have simply used a line trace or sphere trace from my neck to downwards and from my hips to downwards. Means we can find out if we are standing on a plane surface or steep slope. We can use this information. So if I use the draw debug type to or one frame, by the way, you can pause the video and copy paste the exact same functionality, or you can get the project files from a Patreon page. So this is the first sphere trace and this is the second sphere trace from our CG bone. This is the from pelvis and this is from neck. And then we'll use this same use this uh, simple algorithm like extract the forward trace from our backward trace to find out if we are standing on a forward, like either we should lean in forward or backward side. Like I will show you over here. Here you can see our both traces are in action. Here you can see if I move the cube, uh, let's print the result so that you can find out what I mean by this calculation. So if the value is positive, means we need to forward bend our like we need to rotate the character in this axis, in the positive axis, positive positive axis. And if the value is like less than 0, we need to rotate the horse into the opposite side. So this is our simple lean functionality. I have set the max limits to -45 to 45 and use a simple blend space to derive my values from -1 to +1. So this is the calculate leaning functionality. Now we need to add our poses. Like if I can show you. So this is the, let's say we need to add the fit. I have created a new animation layer, simple animation layer, put it, name it to procedural ground alignment and place it over here. Like procedure ground alignment, place it over here. This will cover all our IK related functionality. So if I now hit play, and you will notice my horse is adopting the surface below. See how the pose changes. These are all these are the additive poses, which I will show you in the next video how to set these additive poses. So the overall the initial functionality is to find out either we need to lean up or either we need to lean down using these two simple traces. So in the next video I will show you guys how to make these lean poses or additive animations.